Now that you've seen the 5 success steps that work together to make your online marketing matter, let's look at the next critical step. This is understanding your target market. Who is your ideal customer? What are their needs, wants, problems? How do you help them? Understanding your target market will ensure that they are served from the time they see you through promotions, arrive on your site, and throughout their entire user experience. A web user has a mentality of all I want to see is what's in it for me. We only have a few seconds to make a meaningful impression. With the competition a click or two away, connecting with your ideal client by understanding them is so important. When we think about online marketing, let's remember that we want to attract ideal prospects. Many times we get wrapped up in wanting traffic and lots of it. The key is to focus on attracting and connecting with people who really matter so we don't waste our time, energy, and money with people who are not the best prospects. Manage your marketing time wisely by first identifying the people you really want in your customer base.